As some people know, I have a bet on dunking this canoe. So I have a bet on dunking this canoe in the water, and the top side is looking freaking phenomenal. I don't think, yeah, I don't think you can see it well, but it's looking phenomenal. The bottom side, however, has been a mystery to me until today, when I decided I was going to just put a couple of little spots on and call it quits. But I gotta say, you know, bets are fair and square. And I was supposed to dump this boat in the water this weekend, and when I flipped it upside down, I found areas of paint that had been rubbed off completely. And you know, what's a boat if it's not sexy? And while the top side looks sexy right now, the bottom side doesn't. So the seats are looking good. I do need to put cane on one seat. The other seat is looking phenomenal. I've been varnishing it even on the cane, and it's looking really good. But you know what? To those who are watching, I lost this bet fair and square. It is not in the water by my birthday. Why isn't it in the water? It will float. But golly, what's a boat if it's not sexy? So see me in 2 weeks.